Fine, guys. I am also recording the session. Let's start the session, guys. Okay. So this is the software which we are. Yeah. Tell me. Oh, yeah. Anything anyone wants to ask? Yeah, guys. So this is the software SQL Plus, which we are going to learn SQL. Here we have to give the username as Scott, SCOTT, password as Tiger, TIGER. Enter. Are you able to understand? All of you are there? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So you have to give the username as Scott and password as Tiger, and you have to join this, but you will get connected to a particular database. Okay, guys. So this is very, very simple. Just the software, those who have, I will be sharing you the software, okay, today only, and you will just have to download the VM Player Workstation. What you have to download is, download the VM Player Workstation. How to download? Just will write download VM Player Workstation. Just write it. Click on the first link. Okay. Then what we have to do? Then we'll go into the download section of the VM Player Workstation. See, so suppose download for 16 for Windows. We just click on here, and we can just download it. So this is the link, guys. Copy link address which I am giving you. Just download this VM Player Workstation. What is happening for Tapshi? Is not able to join. Let me just see. Okay. Let me just tell. Yes, Tapshi. Please try joining. Mobile. If she's not able to join by laptop, she can join by mobile at least. Via laptop. Okay, guys. So these are the materials, guys, which will provide you. The recording session will provide you. Don't worry. Every sessions will be recorded. This is the VM Workstation. This is the software Oracle SQL Plus. I told you how to open it. Can everyone tell me how to open it? Double click on this SQL Plus. Then what is the username, guys?
Scott and Tiger.
SCOTT and password is TIGER. And click on OK. That's all. You are connected. That's all you have to do. Okay, guys. Now, guys, we are going to learn something called as SQL. So I told you guys there is something called as SQL, SQL Plus. Do you remember? Those was first day class. They can just listen to me. Those are second day class. They will have some idea. So for first day was demo only. Anyways, your classes will start from today. Okay. So let me just start, guys, today's session. Okay. Yes, guys. So SQL. What is SQL, guys? Do you remember? Tell me yes or no. What is SQL?
SQL is a language.
SQL is a language to what?
Structured query language.
To access. SQL is a language to access the data in database.
SQL is a language to
Access the data.
Database.
yes, database. SQL is a. If you remember, I told you SQL is a language to access database. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Yeah, I guess Tapshi, you are able to join. See, Tapshi, I am giving you the access to allow to record local file. Now you click on record button, you will be able to record. Can you do that?
Well, everyone need to record, or else only one person can record. And
No. Everyone, no. Everyone record at your own, so that you can record, keep your recording at your system. Yes or no, guys?
Okay.
Yes. Everyone record at your own, keep in your system. And sometimes I will be sharing the link, but that's up to me. It's not my job. I will give you the access. Just record it. Keep it for your entire life.
Okay? Please ask the host to give permission to record.
Yeah, I've given. What is your name? Can you just tell me?
Hare Krishna.
Yeah, I've given you. Just record now. Are you able to record?
Yeah, well, yeah, I can.
Tapshi, are you able to record? Tapshi, are you there? Yeah, Tapsi is able to record. That's fine. No problem, guys. That's okay. So let me just open a new. Yeah. So now, guys, tell me, SQL is what is SQL, guys? SQL is a language to access what, guys?
Database.
Database. Okay, fine. Now, what is SQL plus, guys? Can you just tell me what is SQL plus?
Where we can write the queries.
It is a software. First of all, is a software
It's a software.
where we can write
the
the
SQL.
SQL
SQL queries.
queries. Fine. This is very simple thing, guys. Next is what is a query, guys? What is a query? Query is what? Query is questioning to the database. Questioning to what? To the database. Now, what is database, guys? I told you yesterday. What is database? Yeah, Kirti.
It is a collection of schema.
Collection of data.
Schema.
Collection of data. In the form of what?
Rows
Rows
and
and columns.
Tables.
tables.
So what is a table, guys? What is a table?
It
It's
is
a
a collection of
rows and
rows and
Rows and
columns.
columns.
Collection of rows and columns are called as tables.
Table.
What is a data, guys? What is a data? Any meaningful information is called as what?
Data.
Data.
Fine. These things we have already studied. Okay. Now I told you the next thing. We'll write the SQL in the SQL plus. Okay. Now, do you remember SQL is a language, but SQL plus is a software. So what is the diagram, guys? Let me just tell you. Let me just again remind you, that was just a demo class, but today is the actual class. Okay, so first is, guys, a software. This is a software. This is a database. Okay, so this is what a database. What is database, guys? Can you just tell me what is a database? Collection of data in the form of what, guys?
Tables.
Tables. Now this is what, Kirti? This is SQL plus. What is SQL plus, Kirti?
It is a
SQL plus is
software.
a software where we will write what? SQL queries, yes or
SQL
no?
queries.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now we have written some query, some code, okay? That is nothing but your query. So after writing query, what will happen? The database will give the answer or not? Yes or no,
Yes.
guys? Tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
So this query is written in which language, guys? This query is written in which language?
SQL.
SQL language.
This is called as what? SQL. SQL is a language. SQL is not a software. It is a language. Like English is a language. Like that, SQL is a language. English is used to talk with people. SQL is a language to talk with the database, to access the database and get the data. Are you able to understand? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Tell
Yes.
me yes or no.
Yes, yes.
Yes. If
Yes.
you are clear till this much, guys, then you told I told you there is something called as DBMS and there's something called as what, guys? RDBMS.
RDBMS.
What is RDBMS? It is a
Relational database management system.
database management system. What happened, guys? Here we can establish what?
Relationship
Establish
between
the relationship
Relation-
between what?
tables.
Between the tables.
Tables.
In DBMS, we cannot what?
Establish
Establish
relationship.
the
Relationship between tables.
between the tables.
Tables.
Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
What is the example of RDBMS? Can someone tell me? Oracle, SQL
Oracle.
Server,
MySQL.
MySQL, then
PostgreSQL.
DB2, Teradata,
Data.
Netezza.
PostgreSQL.
What are you telling?
PostgreSQL.
Yeah, PostgreSQL. Fine. Etc. I'll write etc. There are a lot of RDBMS. Actually, we work in RDBMS. We don't work in DBMS. Here example is what, guys? Fox Pro. Then Fox Base. Then DBase. This is fine, guys. If you have understood this much, guys, then we know something in the Oracle side, something. Which software we are learning, guys? Which RDBMS we are learning? Can you just tell me? Which RDBMS we are learning? We are
Oracle SQL
learning
Plus.
Oracle. We are learning what? Oracle.
Oracle.
Oracle had lot of version. First it was 8i, then it was 9i, then it was 10G, then it was 11G. Now it is 12C. That means
See.
I is internet, G is grid, and C is cloud computing. Okay, these were the version of Oracle. This is fine, guys. Now, after knowing all these things, guys, this is a very, very basic thing I told you. I told you a diagram. If you remember, I told you there is something called as database. There is something called as schema. There is
Schema.
something called as tables. Do you remember, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
So what is database? Database is collection of data in the form of tables.
Tables.
In a database, like a kitchen, database is a free space. Inside the kitchen, we create the racks. This is vegetable rack, this is fruit rack, this is glossary item rack, and this is some snacks rack. So that division is called as schema. There's schema 1, schema 2, schema 3, and schema 4. Inside a schema, there are table. This is suppose a table 1, here there is table 2, there again can be table 3, table 4, and inside table there will be rows and there will be columns. And inside, and what is a cell, guys? Can you tell me what is a cell? What is a cell, guys? Can you tell me what is a cell? What is a cell? Intersection of what?
Rows and columns.
Intersection of rows and columns are called as cells. Do you remember
Cells.
that? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Called as cells. Okay, guys.
Yeah. Here, one thing in schema, we can have n number of tables or only.
You can have 100 table, 1000 table in a particular schema.
Oh.
It's like a folder structure. In a D drive, you kept a folder of movies. Okay.
Okay.
Now inside movie, how many movie you can keep? You can keep any number of movies or not.
Yes. Yes.
So like that only. There can be 1000 table in a schema. Okay.
Okay.
Just we have to prefix schema 1 dot table 1. That means I will come to know from this schema, this particular table is taken.
Okay.
Guys, this is the data, any meaningful information, database collection of data in the form of table. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Schema is the folder structure in a database. SQL is a language to access the database. SQL full form is what, guys? Structured query language. It is also called as what, guys? Do you remember?
SQL.
It is also called as SQL. SEQUEL. Structured
English query language.
English query language. Okay, fine. Then I have already written. Okay, fine. This is already written. SQL plus, where we will write the SQL queries. And what we are going to learn is what? Database is Oracle. These are the version RDBMS and DBMS. Cell is an intersection of rows and columns. Till here, if you know, guys, then we will learn, guys, how to write a SQL queries. Till here, guys, are you clear? Did you got an understanding? What is a data? What is a database? What is a table? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If you are clear, tell
Yes.
me how to log into here. Can you just tell me? Double click on what, guys? SQL plus.
SQL
Enter the
plus.
username as what?
Scott Tiger.
Enter the username
Scott, the
as
password is Tiger.
Scott.
Scott.
I have written here. Enter the username as Scott and password as Tiger, and we can just start writing the queries. Can you see, guys? This is one way to access here. One more way is what, guys? Just click on here. Open the command prompt. Have you heard about command prompt? Yes.
Yes.
Nothing. Just start command prompt. Write here SQL plus. Write what? SQL plus. Enter. Give the username as what, guys? Same username. What is the username? SCOTT.
Scott.
And password as what, guys? TIGER. Yes or no, guys? Again, we can access the same database from command prompt. We can access the same database from SQL plus. Am I clear? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Any doubt in opening this two? Anyone?
No. No, sir.
Excellent, guys. Excellent. Now, guys, first we will learn is what? Data query language or data retrieval language. Have you ever heard about DQL and DRL? Have you heard about these things ever before? Data query language, also called as what, guys?
Data retrieval.
Retrieval language. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
So this is nothing but your select. Now, guys, to learn select, if I have to select apple from a table, what will I write, guys? Select apple
Apple from the table.
Table.
from a table. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And if I want to select all the fruits, what I will write?
Select the star.
Select all.
all the fruits. Okay, we'll write all the fruits from which table? From where, guys? From table. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So instead of all the fruits, we write something called as star. Are you able to understand? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
From table, and then end it with this semicolon. End it with this semicolon. Am I clear, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt, guys? Anyone? This after select one space, after this thing one space. If you give two space also, that is fine. But generally we give one space. Then from, then table. Simply just select apple from table. Are you able to understand? If I want everything, what I will write, guys? Star. Am I clear till this much? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
So if I want to select everything from a database, what is the query I will write, guys? Tell me everybody. Select
Select
star
star
From the
from table name. I know
Table.
the table name is EMP. So this is nothing but your records. Now these records is not looking in a proper way. Whenever the records are not looking in a proper way, we will use something called as line size and page size. What we will use, guys? We'll use line size and page size.
Yes.
Also called as lines. We can increase the line size 4,000 characters, page size 50,000. Okay. So what we will do is, guys, we'll make the line size as what? Suppose 1,000. Page size as what? 1,000. Just the line size means the size of this line will increase to 1,000 character. Size of this pages will again increase to the 1,000 page. Okay. This is what is increasing. How to put this? We'll just write set lines 1,000. And then what we'll do, guys? We'll write set pages 1,000. Just give a semicolon here, semicolon here. Let us see what happens. Set lines 1,000. Set pages 1,000. Now I write the query, select a star from EMP. Is it looking in a proper way or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
What I did, I increased the line size by giving the 1,000 characters here. Page size, again, I have given 1,000 characters here. And then it is looking in a proper way. Yes or no, guys? Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So the maximum value for the, for the line size we can give is what is 32767. This you have to remember, these are the maximum character, that is 32,767. For page size, maximum value is 50,000 lines. So this is just we give a number 1,000 or 2,000 like that. But someone asks you maximum line size, then you can tell 32,000, whatever that number is there, around 32,767, and line size is 50,000. Am I clear, guys, till here? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
If I want to see in a database all the tables, if I want to see in a database all the tables, I will have to write a command called as select star from tab. What I have to write, guys? Select star from tab. What will be the output of this query? Can everyone tell me what will be the output of this query? Yeah, Kirti,
All
what will
tables
be
in
the output of this
database.
query? It will display what?
All tables in database.
All
tables
tables.
in a database. Means in a database, these are the tables, everything is displayed. This query is very important. Select star from tab. Now, Kirti, tell me, if I want to see all the records from department table, what will be the query, guys? Can Kirti tell you?
Select a star from department table.
Excellent, excellent. Select star from DPT. Excellent. Okay. Now I want to see all the records from EMP table. It is fine, guys. Excellent. Now SQL is not case sensitive, guys. SQL is not what? Case sensitive.
Case sensitive.
That means what? If I write like this. Now tell me, will this query execute, not execute? Tell me yes or no.
It will execute.
Because it is not a case sensitive, it is not like Java, the camel structure and all those things are not here. It's not case sensitive. So it is a very user-friendly language, very powerful language. Okay, this is fine, guys. Now my question to you is that, Kirti, if I want to select this e-name from EMP table or a job from EMP table, how can I select it?
Select e-name, comma job from table.
See,
From
like that, no, this particular column I will select, then I will select this column, then I will select from the table.
employee table.
So what I will do, select,
E-name,
can you tell me the query? E-name,
comma
what?
job,
Job from which table, guys?
employee table.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
If I want to select all the columns, I can write comma, 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 comma. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Else I can use what? Star.
Star.
Correct, no, guys?
Yes.
So what are the rules? Yeah, tell me. Any question? No question. Fine. So guys, this is the way. Either you can select a particular column. So what are the rules, guys? Can you just tell me? SQL statements are case sensitive or not case sensitive? It is not a case sensitive. SQL statement ends with what, guys? Semicolon. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
To edit any SQL, no, we will use a command called as from in here. In SQL Plus, if I want to edit, I will use ed or edit. Ed, enter. Okay, semicolon, enter. Now I can edit anything. If suppose I want only job, then I select ename from job, close this window, save it, and then front slash. Can you see this front slash? Enter. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
How to edit a SQL command? SQL query. Just ed semicolon, edit it, and then save it. That's all, and front slash. Front slash is used to execute n number of times. N number of times you can execute. Okay, now, guys, the thing is here. SQL statement ends with semicolon. SQL keywords cannot be written in 2 lines. What does this mean, guys? Select star from EMP. Will this query execute? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
This will execute. We are not writing the keyword in 2 lines. We are just writing the SQL in 2 line, 3 line. You can write in 100 line. That is okay. This will execute. But if I write SE, this is a command. This is a keyword select, and I give on enter. Did I got an error? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
That means keywords cannot be written in 2 lines. SQL query can be written in any number of lines. Did you got a rule? Tell me yes or no, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
So these are the rules, guys, which I collaborated and written. Here, see, here we can edit also. Suppose here if I write set lines, right, hold on, set lines 1000, set pages 1000. Okay. So here I can edit. What is the thing, guys? Suppose I write select star from EMP. This is fine, guys. I can see the data. I can just write, you know what, guys? Front arrow. You know, page up is the front arrow is there. After clicking on this previous executed query comes. And here I can go and we can edit anything. Suppose I want ename. I can just write here ename. And I can directly do in this command prompt. But that option is not there in SQL Plus. SQL Plus, what we have to do, guys? We have to use the command called as ed or edit. Did you understand the difference here? Here,
Yes.
we can edit the query directly. Suppose I want to go to any part of the query, we can just use our left arrow and go and edit. But that is not possible in SQL Plus. Am I clear till this much? Tell me yes or no, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
SQL datas are case sensitive. That means what, guys? Where is a filter for this SQL query? Okay. Suppose in a table, I want to select mango. So what I will write, guys? I can write like this. Select all the fruits. For all I have written star from table where fruit equals to what, guys? Fruit equals to mango. So I can write like this, right? That is what is the thing. Simple English. Select star from table means everything. Where is a filter condition? Where fruit equals to mango. This mango, whatever we are writing, that is case sensitive. This is what a data of a table. This is case sensitive. Are you able to understand? Any character and dates are always written in single quotation, and those are case sensitive. What are case sensitive, guys? Can everyone tell me? Characters, string, collection of characters are called as string. String and dates are case sensitive. Yes or no, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
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 But SQL query is not case sensitive. That means if I want to select this Smith, can you think of the query? What can be the query? Select
Select star from EMP where ename is equal to Smith.
where ename equals to what?
Smith.
In capital or small?
Capital.
Okay, what will be the output of this query?
Error.
What do you think?
Only Smith details will be displayed.
But it won't.
It
See,
will
I will
not
get.
display, sir. It's a case sensitive, sir.
So what will be the output?
It will not give outputs.
No, it will display no
It will
record. Yes, Kirti, it will display no record or not? Tell me yes or no. Why? Because there is no employee with the
Okay.
name capital S and small MITH. Any record, any employee is there? Yes or
no.
no, guys?
No.
No, there is no employee whose name is Smith, where S is capital and MITH is small. So what is the output, guys? No row selected. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
But if I write properly case sensitive, then what will happen, guys? Can you
It
just
will
tell me the
display
output?
only the records which start with name employee Smith.
No. If I write like this, Smith, what will be the output?
Only Smith records will be displayed.
Only the Smith record will display.
Smith record is displayed or not? Yes or no?
Yep.
So what is the difference between this and this query?
Case sensitive.
Case sensitive.
What is case sensitive? Is the SQL case sensitive or the data in a table is a case sensitive?
SQL
Date.
Data
Data is
Data
case
in a
sensitive.
table.
Data in a table is case sensitive, but SQL is not case sensitive.
Case
Yes or
sensitive.
no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is how we select a particular record from a table. So if I want to select department 20, what will be the query? Can you just tell me? Select
Select star from employee where department is equal to 20.
department. Does it need to be single quotation or not?
Only.
No. If
No.
it is integer, then it will not.
Only
integer,
date,
so-
only date and what, guys? String. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
This is fine. Only department 20 is being
Mhm.
retrieved. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
In real-time working execution of this query, no, first this filter condition gets executed. In a table, first it selects where department number and equal to 20, and then it from this table it selects in the execution. But that is not of your use. But I told you that first always the filter condition executes where department number equals to 20 from this table. This is fine, guys. You have understood department 20 selection, department 10 selection, all these things if you have understood. So if I want 17 December 80, what will be the query? Can someone tell me? Select star from
Table
EMP,
name,
where what? Where what?
where
Higher date
Higher date equals to what?
equal to
equals to
17 December.
Single quotation or not?
17.
Single
So
quotation.
Yes, sir. Single quotation.
yes, it's need.
17 December 80. Yes or no, guys?
80.
Yes.
Yes.
Quotation.
Yes. Are you getting some idea, guys, how to write
Mhm.
SQL queries?
Yes.
Is it easy? Is it easy or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is, guys, I prepared rules. First thing, whenever I teach, I tell the rules. What is the rule, guys? First rule, what I told you, SQL language is not case sensitive. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
SQL statement ends with semicolon.
Semicolon.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
If I want to select a particular column, I will write column 1, column 2. And if I want all the columns, I will use star from the particular table name. SQL keyword cannot be written in 2 lines, but SQL query can be written in multiple lines. So to clear the screen, we use a command called as
Clear.
CL. And to edit a screen, what is the command I told you, guys? ed semicolon. To execute a command, we can use front slash, or we can use what, guys? Enter. Or we can use what, guys? Enter. That means if I want to execute here all the employees, select star from EMP. So what I have to write, guys? What I have to press now? I have to press what? Enter. And I want to use front slash, then I can use front slash later, any number of time. Are you able to understand this concept? Tell me yes or no, front slash and enter.
Yes.
If I want to get a data from a particular table, what I will write, select star from department, semicolon, enter. Again, I want to execute this query, then front slash enter, front slash enter. This is the rules, guys. Now, what is the username, password? I told you Scott and Tiger. Line size and page size, I told you. For page size, maximum is 5,000 lines. And for line size, we are taking maximum is 32,767. The data in a table is case sensitive. First, the filter condition of any SQL statement execute, then the select statement. String and data are always written in single quotation. Dual is to perform an independent operation. It is present in Oracle database. So this is the thing, guys. I just want to tell you dual. See, if you write select star from dual, what will happen? It will have one record and one column. That is D column and the data is X. So what happened, guys, is it is used to perform an independent operation. If I want 2 plus 2, so how can I write? Select
2 plus 2
plus 2 from where?
from dual table.
From dual table. Any independent operation we can use dual to perform. Yes or no, guys? Output is what? 4. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So that is what is the rules to write a SQL queries. So this is what I have told you, guys, the rules to write the SQL queries and the basic concepts of SQL. Now we will learn the operators also slowly. If I want, suppose department 10 or department 20. So what can be the query, guys? Can you just think?
Select the star from table, employee table, where department number
Is equal to 20.
Department number equals to
20
yeah, department is 20 or what?
Department number 10.
So Kirti, this will give error. Can you just tell me why?
Yeah, it will give the error. Instead of that, we can put it department number in 20, 10. So it will give both 20 and 10 both.
No. Listen. Now if I write like this,
Yes.
this will give.
This will execute.
What anyone knows SQL? What will be the output of this queries? Any idea?
Only to a department number 20 and 10 will get displayed.
What about others? What do you think, Kirti? What will be the output of this query? Yeah, Kirti, you have any idea? According to me, guys, this will generate an error. See, invalid relational operator. What Kirti was telling is in operator, and
so instead of or, we can use and.
No, but I want the condition is either you should get department number 10, either you should get department number 20. Then why will you use and? Are you understanding? Either is different thing, and is a compulsive thing. Department 10 and 20. The employee should be working in department 10 and 20. Here it is not the condition. Here the condition is what? Employee from department 10 or employee from department 20. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Tell me yes or no. So what is the correct query, guys? Let me just tell you. Select start from EMP, where you have to write full department number. Kirti, see here. Department
10.
number equals to 10 or department number equals to 20.
20.
This will execute, guys. And what Kirti was telling is that instead of using or, we can use which operator, guys? In operator.
In.
Have you heard about in operator?
So it will give.
Yeah, tell me.
When we will use the in operator, then it will give the 10 and 20 both.
Yeah, 10 or 20. 10 or 20. See here, 10 or 20. So that is one more way. So suppose I want department 10 or 20 or 30, then what will be the query? I will have to write what? Select star
Just
from EMP where department number
in
equal to
10
10 or
or
department number
department
equals
number
to 20
20
or department number equals to what?
30.
30.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
So instead of writing every time the full column name and then its value, what we will do is we'll use an operator called as in list operator. In list operator, there's something called as in. What we have to do is we have to write select star from EMP where department number in bracket you have to write. What we have to write, guys? 10,
10, 20,
30. Are you able to understand, guys? Yes or no?
yes.
Both are the same only, but this is little simpler, right? Here every time if suppose department 40, 50, then every time we will have to write. Here what is happening? In and in bracket we are writing 10, 20, 30. This is little easier way to write. Are you able to understand? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
That is what is called as what? Relational operator, which we will learn tomorrow, guys. All the kind of operators, okay? There is something called as relational operator, greater than, equal to, less than, and equal to, logical operator, or, and, not. We have learned only this or operator. That is nothing but your or operator. So this is only we have learned here, logical operator. In that we have learned or. From tomorrow, we'll learn nicely the operators. Today, what we have learned is the basic explanation of SQL. What is SQL? What is a table? What is a RDBMS? What is a DBMS? So, Kirti, what is the difference between RDBMS and DBMS? What is the difference?
RDBMS.
And DBMS, what is the difference between them?
RDBMS is the relational database management system.
Okay.
And DBMS is the database management system. So when we have a when we are talking about the multiple tables and all, then we use relational database, how they are connecting and all. Is it correct?
First thing what you have to tell, guys, is what RDBMS we can establish the
There's a relationship
between the table.
Tables.
DBMS we cannot establish the relationship between the tables.
Tables.
Okay? Are you able to understand? Better security, better performance, everything is in RDBMS. But the main difference is what the relationship between the tables can be established. Relationship between DBMS cannot. Relationship between tables in DBMS cannot be established. Both are softwares. After installing the software, we can create our own database table, etc. So, guys, can you tell me? Anyone tell me what is a schema? Anyone can give a try. What is a schema?
Schema is a kind of folder structure.
In a database. In a
Yes.
database.
In a database. Yes.
Correct. Excellent. So, anyone can give me a tell me what is a database? Anyone can give a try. What is a database?
It's a collection of
collection
data
of-
in the form
Table.
A collection of what?
data in the form of table.
In the form of tables. And what is a table?
Uh,
Table is a collection of rows and columns.
Rows
Yeah.
and columns.
columns. Yes.
Excellent, guys. Excellent. So these people have, guys, these people have paid me fees or not? Tell me yes or no. I cannot give this software just like that. Okay. Gaurav, where is your mail ID, here, Gaurav? Okay, I got it. So only
The last one.
five people have given your mail IDs, and rest please give your mail IDs and pay your fees and all, so that I can give this software. Okay, let me just give the software to these people. Guys, what you have to do now, the people who have who are getting the software, guys, what you have to do, guys, is you have to download this software first of all, this one, and extract it. Do you know how to extract a software? Tell me yes or no. I'll tell you. First, let me just send it. First, let me first confirm me. Did you got the software? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no, guys? Yes, guys, I have sent you the software. Now, how to install the software? That is the main topic I want to cover. How to install the software. What do you have to do, guys? Can you just tell me how to install the software? First step is what, guys? Download it. Kirti, are you there? Download it, then extract it. Then what you have to do, guys? Download VM Workstation. Then what you have to do? Install VM Workstation. Then what you have to do? Browse the Windows. Then what you have to do? Click on OK. And what you have to give? Enter the password as Oracle. These 6 things you have to do. How to install the software. Let me just write down, guys. Yeah. Are you there with me, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So what are the things? How will you install the software, guys? Can you just tell me first what you will do? You will download which software? The software which I have given, VM_ for TRAR. Okay. Then you will extract it. How to extract, guys? Do you know? Right click, extract. Do you know? Yes or no? You have to do right click and extract. You will get the option. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
And then what you will do? Third step is what, guys? You will download what? VM Workstation. Yes or no, guys? I've shared the
Yes.
link or not? Yes. And from this VM Workstation, you will install this. How will you install it? Next, finish. Then what will happen, guys? This will be installed like this. Then what you will do? Double click on here. Now what will happen? This will open. And let me just show you. It will open like this. From here, what you will do, you'll click on Open Virtual Machine. And you have to select this Windows XP Professional.vmx. That is the things you have to do. And once you do that, Windows XP will open and you have to give the password as Oracle. So that is what you have to do. And still, if you're not able to install, I will install the software for you. Okay, fine. So can you just give a try? Are you clear how to install the software, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Did you understood today's class? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So are you installing this software, guys? VM Player Workstation. Did you got it? VM Player Workstation link. Did I share that? Yes. Did I share this VM Player Workstation? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you just click on and download and install this VM where at least? This will be very, very easy. Just click on download and it will be downloaded in 1 second. So it will not take time. Just download this. Everyone, can you just download this? Just click on this link and just select the particular VM thing and it will get downloaded. Are you able to download?
Yes, it is.
Yes. Hey, Hari has not received this software. What about others? Everyone just tell me, guys, you have received or not?
Got an email.
I have received it.
Okay. Who has not got here? Hari has not got. Any more who has not got? Any more who has not got? Let me just see, guys. Who is that who has not got? Where is the Hari's mail? Hari email ID. Hari, where is your email ID?
Yeah, well, I will share it.
Yeah, just share me the email ID. Okay, guys, so that I can give you the software. Guys, are you clear with the class today? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubt you have with respect to Oracle basics and installation and writing all this explanation, introductory explanation and rules to write SQL queries? Tell me yes or no. No doubts?
Yeah, well, a single doubt I have, but difference between the Oracle SQL Server and the Microsoft SQL Server, where the queries are same or have any
No,
differences?
little bit syntactical differences are there, but your language is same, your query will be same only. Little bit syntactical differences are there, which we can learn in one day only. So there's a very little instead of some to-char function, they might use some different function. So that is not a very minimal differences. So it's not a big difference.
Okay.
And this things, guys, is a basic thing. Please ask questions 100 times. I don't mind, because these things, you know, if you're not clear, see how to clear the screen, guys. What I told you,
Yes.
CLSCR. Yes or no? Yes. CLSCR is used to clear the screen. See, this is what you'll select the window XP. No, it will open like this. You have to double click here. Can you tell me how to open it? What is the username?
Scott.
What?
Vikram,
Password is what?
Vikram, it is taking time to install it. I have downloaded it, but it is showing that opening in 2 hours or 3 hours. It is showing that.
Which one?
The VM for TR, the software which you have given in the
Did you
email.
downloaded it? Did you extracted it?
I
Guys,
have.
See, guys, let me just show you guys. First, you have to download it. How to download? You'll click on this button. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Tell me yes or no. Yes. After downloading, what will happen? You know, guys. Let me just show you. Yeah, you will get it like this. Now, what you will do? Right click, and can you see extract option? You will get. I don't know. You have the option. Are you getting the extract option? After are you able to extract it, guys? Tell me yes or no. Actually, I already have. That's why I don't want to download, but I'll show you. So this is how it gets downloaded. Download anyway. You have to click on what? Download anyway. It will be a 4.2 GB large file. That is why I don't want to extract it. Just download this. After downloading, you have to do right click and extract. At least if you do 2 steps, no, it's more than enough. Please try, everyone. Yeah, tell me.
Kindly send that file, so I will also.
No. Who is telling that?
Krishna.
Huh? Hari.
Yeah.
Fine, guys. Don't worry, guys. If you're not able to install, we'll share. I will take your screen control and I'll install. Don't worry about that. I just given the software to everyone. Just practice, guys. Today's target is to install the VMware. After installing VMware, extract the software what I have given you. Download it, extract it. After downloading and extracting and installing this VM player, what you have to do is you'll get the software like this. Double click on here. And after double clicking, what will happen, guys? You have to click on this open virtual machine. And here you have to go to this particular software where you have extracted this. After extracting, it will be in the folder VM4_T. In that Window XP Info 8.6. Here you have to just select this Window XP Professional.vmx. This thing you have to just select it and click on open and it will be installed. That's all you have to do. Very, very simple. Just try it. If you're not able to do, tomorrow I will do. Am I clear, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Maps khul raha hai.
Okay, guys. So if you have any doubts, guys, you can personally message me and tell me. As of now, I am just stopping the class. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.